Welcome. If you've ever missed important updates on X, formerly known as Twitter, because you weren't getting notifications from users with the default profile photo, this guide is for you. With the latest update, you can now easily adjust your settings to start receiving those notifications right from your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open X in your preferred web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and find the More icon. Click on it to expand a menu with additional options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your X experience. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Click on it, and then navigate to Mute and Block. This area lets you manage what kind of content and notifications you want to filter or allow. Within Mute and Block, you'll see an option called Muted Notifications. Click on this to open a list of filters that control which notifications you receive. Now, here's the key step. Look for the checkbox labeled Who have a default profile photo. By default, this box might be checked, which means notifications from users who haven't set a profile picture are muted. To start receiving notifications from these users, simply uncheck this box. That's it. You've now enabled notifications from accounts with the default profile photo. This small change can help you stay connected with a broader range of people and never miss out on updates, even from new or anonymous users. Remember, you can always return to these settings if you want to adjust your notification preferences in the future. Customizing your notifications ensures you get the updates that matter most to you, without unnecessary noise. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay connected and enjoy your experience on X.